Aspiring knitters. Welcome to the world of needles and yarn. Today, we're diving into the basics of knitting, design, especially for beginners who want clear answers, not guesswork. Let's get started. First things first, what exactly is knitting? Knitting is the process of creating fabric by interlocking loops of yarn using needles. It's a craft that's been around for centuries, and it's easier to learn than you might think. Now, let's gather your essentials. You'll need knitting needles, yarn, and a pair of scissors. Knitting needles come in various sizes, so you'll want to check the yarn label for the recommended size. The yarn label will also tell you about the yarn weight, which can be super fine to super chunky. For beginners, a medium weight yarn and a pair of size US 8 or 9 needles are usually a great starting point. Scissors are for cutting the yarn, of course. Next, let's talk about the two basic stitches, the knit stitch and the purl stitch. These are the building blocks of most knitting projects. The knit stitch creates a V shape on the fabric, while the purl stitch creates a horizontal bar. These two stitches, combined in different patterns, create a world of textures and designs. Let's start with the knit stitch. There are several ways to cast on, or start, your stitches. The long tail cast on is popular for its simplicity. To do this, create a slip knot, place it on your needle. Then cast on the number of stitches you need for your project. Once you have your stitches on the needle, you're ready to knit. Hold the needle with the stitches in your left hand, and the empty needle in your right hand. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From left to right, wrap the yarn around the right hand needle and pull it through the stitch, creating a new stitch on your right needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. Repeat this process for all stitches on the left needle. Congratulations, you've just knit a row. The purl stitch is just as important. The purl stitch looks like the back of the knit stitch. To purl, hold the needle with the stitches in your left hand. Insert the right hand needle into the first stitch on the left needle. From right to left, wrap the yarn around the right hand needle and pull it through the stitch, creating a new stitch on your right needle. Slip the old stitch off the left needle. That's the purl stitch. As you knit, you'll encounter different patterns. Patterns provide instructions for how to combine knit and purl stitches. When you're learning to read a pattern, pay close attention to the stitch key and the abbreviations. Practice is key, so don't be discouraged if your first few rows aren't perfect. Each project, each row, you'll get better. There are tons of online resources to help you, from video tutorials to pattern databases. Take advantage of these to learn at your own pace, and find projects that interest you. Have fun, and happy knitting!